Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can make Instagram use less data. So if you don't have enough or don't have a lot internet, it's really expensive and you want Instagram to use less data, this is the video for you. So first log into your Instagram account just like that, then go to the three lines at the top, go to settings, and then go to your account because we have to change some data settings in our account. Now we want to go to cellular data use, and if you have an iPhone, the chances are that it says mobile data use. So it's cellular data use or mobile. So then hit it, and now it says use less data. And if you enable the data saver, it says when data saver is turned on, videos won't load in advance to help you to use less data. Here we can also change the high resolution media, and if you still want to use the high resolution media, if you're on Wi-Fi, you can hit Wi-Fi only, also cellular plus Wi-Fi or never. So I would recommend you to leave it on Wi-Fi only. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, please subscribe, and see you next time. Have a good day.